You know, the saying is it takes money to make money, and that couldn't be any more true when you're selling your house the traditional way. Here are 5 costs to expect when you're selling your home the traditional way in Dallas-Fort Worth. So what most people think is when you're looking to sell your house, you give it to a real estate agent or a realtor, and they fill out the paperwork and your home's on the market and you get it sold within a couple weeks or so, and there's not really a lot to do. It's just you give it to the realtor and that's it. And that could be anything but the truth. When it comes to selling your home, no matter if you're selling it by yourself or you're selling it with a real estate agent, there are going to be costs that are to be expected. So the first cost is the prepping cost. And the prepping can be anywhere from you actually staging your home to you renovating the house, doing some updates here and there, whatever needs to be done. That's the prepping part. Second is marketing. Now, most of the time that fee goes into the real estate agent's fee, which is the 6%. Usually that's a part of the 6% is the marketing fee. And what they do is they're taking pictures, videos, they're uploading the house on different websites and stuff like that to market it to the most amount of people as possible. The third cost to think about is holding costs. And this has to do with anything that you have to do to keep this home in your possession, such as taxes, keeping on the lights, the water, insurance, anything like that is holding costs. And that's what you should definitely think about because you are paying that every single month the longer that you hold this house. Fourth is contingencies. And what contingencies are is once you place your home on the market, you find a buyer, that buyer does their inspection period. The buyer will usually come back and say, hey, I need this, and this to be done. Maybe they need the floors to be done, the roof to be patched up, or there might need to be a new roof. Whatever needs to be done for them to be able to actually purchase this house because either their lender said that they can't finance the house without this being done, or they just don't want to purchase a home and it have this many repairs that are needed. So that's one thing to think about when you place your home on the market. No matter how nice your house is, promise you, we go through it every single time we list a house on the market. There's always going to be something that the buyer comes back and says, hey, I need this fixed or that fixed. And it's either you get that done, which is you're going to pay out of pocket, or you give the buyer some money at closing for them to fix it themselves. The last cost to expect is the closing costs. So closing costs are the real estate commissions, also the title fees, and whatever else such as like liens or anything else that you have that are that need to be paid before you can actually sell this house. So as I said before, there's a lot that goes into actually selling your home. It's not just as simple as you filling out some paperwork, giving it to a realtor, and then it being sold. There's a lot of money that you have to actually put into it to make some money in return. But if you feel like this might be too much, meaning like you don't really want to go through the whole marketing phase, the prepping phase, worrying about contingencies or anything like that, you can sell directly to us. We are a home buyer. If we buy homes as is, we'll give you the price that works for you and help you move forward. So if you'd like to do that, go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com.